Students, our culture includes our language, our dresses, our dance, music, art, food items, architecture, paintings, all these together form our culture. Truly, India is rich in culture. We have variety of dance form, music, even different type of art form. We have different architectures from olden days, that is from the Gupta period, Mughal period. So our country is very rich. Children, more than 200 languages are spoken in India, but the Constitution of India, as you know, the rule book or the law of India, that Constitution recognizes 22 languages, but more than 200 languages are spoken all over India. Children, I will show you the 22 languages of India. Assamese, and it is predominantly spoken in Assam, recognized in the year 1950. Bengali, recognized in 1950, spoken in West Bengal. Bodo, that is recognized in 2003, that also is a language of Assam, people of Assam. Dogri, 2003, Jammu and Himachal Pradesh. Gujarati, 1950, it was recognized by the Constitution of India and it is predominantly spoken in Gujarat. Hindi, 1950, most part of the northern states. Kannada, 1950, Karnataka. Kashmiri, this is language of people of Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. It is also recognized in the year 1950, that is the year when Constitution was implemented in our country. Konkani, 1992, Goa and parts of Karnataka. Maithili, just now we discussed about Maithili. 2003, parts of Bihar. Malayalam, that also we discussed, and it is the language of people of Kerala, recognized in 1950. Manipuri actually, 1992, it's the language of Manipur. Marathi, 1950, Maharashtra. Nepali, 1992, Sikkim and parts of West Bengal, that is mainly in the Darjeeling area. Odia, 1950, spoken in Odisha. Punjabi, 1950, Punjab and Chandigarh. Sanskrit, as you know, our oldest language, from which different languages has come. It is also in the year 1950. Santhali, 2003. It's a Santhal tribe, the tribal people of Jharkhand, Bihar and West Bengal. Sindhi is a language which was recognized in 1967. People of Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra, those who are Sindhis, they speak. Tamil, 1950, spoken in Tamil Nadu mainly. Telugu, 1950, is spoken in Andhra Pradesh and you can say Telangana. Urdu, 1950, that also northern India. Here you have, children, these are the languages spoken predominantly in different states. As you can see in Gujarat, people speak mainly Gujarati and Hindi. That is the number of official and second languages in different states. So as I told you, children, 22 languages are recognized by the Constitution of India. Our Hindi language and English are the two official languages, as you know. These are the languages which are used in the offices, in the government departments. So most languages are written in from left to, how we write? Left to right. We write left to right. But there are three languages in India which are written from right to left. They are Kashmiri, Sindhi and Urdu. So these three languages, Kashmiri, Sindhi and Urdu are written from right to left. They write from right to left. Those who know how to write Urdu, you know how to that it is written from right to left. All other languages are written from left to right. Okay, so this you remember, children, that there are 22 official languages recognized by the Constitution of India, out of which Hindi and English are the official languages. Most of the languages are written from left to right. The three languages like Urdu, Kashmiri and Sindhi, they are written from right to left. Okay. So this is all about languages spoken in India. Though we have different languages spoken and different dialect form it is spoken. You know, Gujarati also you find in different parts or different districts they speak in different forms. So these are called dialects, and so India is really truly rich in culture. Thank you, children.